Hello everybody, this is Johnny S with another vlog video. Today's video we're going to talk about one of the best license plate holders that I found. We are situated in Greece, but I have seen these models outside as well. The company is called Gref. I'm not going to give a lot of information about it, but I will put a link up. This is on the Greek market, but I'm doing the video in the English as well because a lot of people might want to know information. For the specific company does not have something which is specifically for the GSX-R, but you can buy the universal, which is €90, and then you can go to Leroy Merlin. I know that Leroy Merlin is not just in Greece. You can buy a piece of shit such as this. It costs around €12. It has holes. It's not stainless steel. It's steel. It has holes, and this has proved to be the exact size when it comes to actually molding it. The distance between this hole and that hole is 13 centimeters, and the distance between this hole and that hole is 5 centimeters. And if you go to this sheet of metal and you measure it, you will see that it is exactly where the holes are and exactly where the holes are. So you measure the holes this way, you measure the holes that way, and then you leave another 4 holes extra, and then you start cutting it around. You cut it around with this plier cutters. This is like a €5 thingy, so it's not really expensive. And when it comes to bending and creating the creases, just use one of these sharp pliers. That's pretty much it. So you measure 13 across centimeters, and then you leave another 4 holes. And the 4 holes, you use them in order for you to bend it. 1 hole this way, 1 hole that way, go 1 hole this way, 1 hole that way. Because it's got holes, it's going to be very easy for you to bend it without breaking it, in comparison to if you had a solid piece of metal, of steel sheet, where you had to first drill the holes, second it will be tougher for you to bend it, and so forth. But again, each to their own. You can do it however you want. You can just get a blank piece of thing. And afterwards, what I did is I covered it in masking tape, black masking tape, so you cannot see this specific thing to be as such. For me, that was the best sort of thing that I found on how to actually make it. And the interesting thing is when you mount it up, the holes from the Gref Universal license plate actually go straight in the middle. So the way that I was, worried that maybe it will not be exactly in the middle, maybe a little bit to the left, a little bit to the right, no. Thank God it's exactly in the middle. So all you do is you cut it around, file it down, make the creases, cover it in masking tape, and then just push the bolts through, and you will see that they will be fitting perfect. That's pretty much it that I wanted to mention. There was a Greek comment from a guy, the Jigsaw Boy 5862, if I remember correctly, his handle, and he made a comment in a way of, very nice bike and so forth. Is there a specific license plate for your model, or is it like a universal? You know what I mean? And unfortunately, it is a universal, and there is ways to do it. And this is my way, which is the fastest, the easiest, without you needing to worry about drilling things, about doing all these things. You do it quickly, put the masking tape, put it underneath, nobody can see anything, and it's perfect. That's about it. Short video. I'd like to thank everybody for your time, and stay safe. Bye.